Alright, so this guy right here is my newest build. It was probably the easiest one. I kind of complicated it myself to just because I was fucking around with the goddamn wires too much. But basically, this is a iFlight Micro F4 stack with 12 amp ESCs and an F4 flight controller with built-in Betaflight OSD and a 200 milliwatt video transmitter. I have a crossover XR602 FlySky radio receiver on it, and it is running 1103 motors, and I'm running it on a 3S battery, which is pretty nice, but it looks pretty cool because I really, on average, I don't really build anything with prop guards on it, but these prop guards actually look pretty decent. So, and I was building this for a kid, so this would suit a beginner pretty easily because the prop guards are definitely going to help with not crashing it and whatnot. And it's got I like how this turned out with these antennas right here, the antenna loops that come out the back right here. That turned out pretty cool, just because I had replaced the original small antennas that came with the XR602 with some longer ones, and that works out pretty good. Actually, it gets a lot better signal on it, a lot better. And they take these little tiny micro IPEX connectors. They're just like regular IPEX connectors, but they're super small IPEX connectors. So, but I managed to scrounge some antennas up that were running around that ended up picking up a long time ago. But yeah, this is a really simple build, but it's a 700 TVL CAD-X camera on it, but the CAD-X camera was kind of a cheap camera, and there was no hardware mounts for it per se. So what I did was I fashioned a piece of hardware to the back end of the camera and faceted it to that, so that it still uses the hardware for the mounts on the side, on the back of the cam, so that it at least looks somewhat professional, even though there's no actual hardware mounts that were built into this camera. So that's just a quick solution to that, but and it works pretty well. But this it's pretty nice, actually. Here, see if we can get some power to this guy right here. Oops, hold on a sec. And so as you can see, everything's lit up and it's running. Everything works on it, so. But yeah, that's it. It's a iFlight turbobee frame, 2-inch frame with some 2-inch propellers, and yeah, and these kind of cheapo, not really cheapo, but not the greatest beta 1103 motors. I was going to use 1106 motors on it, but I didn't have it planned out like that, so I just used these. But yeah, that's it.